Isang weekend na hindi malilimutan ng mga kababayan. Ito po ang ipinangako ng organizers sa isinagawang Mabuhay Philippines Festival sa Toronto. Silipin ang makulay na selebrasyon sa report na ito. Sa sentro ng downtown Toronto nitong weekend, tampok ang kultura at talentong Pilipino para sa ika-26 na taon ng Mabuhay Philippines Festival. Mahigit 70 vendors para sa libu-libong dumalo na layong makatikim ng pagkaing Pilipino.
Yes, exactly. We're from Quebec City.
I love this.
Love it?
Yeah.
Visiting on vacation from Chicago, what we've had we love. There's so many choices, it's very difficult to choose.
Sinigang and lechon, definitely things to try from their culture.
At ang mga Pinoy, pinakainabangan ng ilang kilalang pangalan sa Pilipinas tulad ng Filipino actor and singer na si Inigo Pascual at ang batikang Filipino fashion designer at advocate na si Rene Salud.
Every year, you're here. Bakit po binabalik-balikan?
Why? Because number one, Toronto becomes my second home. Why? Because I started my fashion shows here in Northern Americas in the late 70s. I love it because I feel so at home with the place.
Sa halos 1 milyong Pilipino na ngayon naninirahan na sa Canada, walang kulturang napag-iiwanan sa Mabuhay Festival. Ang fashion show ngayong taon, hango sa makukulay na tela mula sa Mindanao.
We would like to tell to the world that Mindanao is different now. This is from guns to gowns. That's what I say. I'm so happy that the Canadians are well accepting the Filipinos. This is the Philippines. Happy and very friendly.
Pinangunahan ito ng grupong Philippine Independence Day Council na may temang kabataan ngayong taon at ipinangako ang maghapong selebrasyon na hindi malilimutan.
Ang na-celebrate natin is kabataan. Our future, yung mga kabataan natin. We want to pakita natin sa kanila ang ating kultura.
The festival is a celebration of Philippine culture, arts, music, dance, cuisine, and fashion. And we're also this year doing the battle at the square. So we have a basketball. We got the Raptors dance crew. We got Jollibee here. We got lots of food for you guys to try.
Isang event na binabalik-balikan ng mga kababayan.
Feels like home now. Yeah. Kasi nakakamiss naman back home.
Canada is too far from the Philippines, so it really helps us.
We're so proud, and then we can see our kababayans here, and then we're thankful we get to have a time together, even my sister.
Nasa entablado rin ngayong araw ng linggo ang Filipina actress at recording artist na si Lovie Poe. Dinaluhan din ang event ng matataas na opisyal ng gobyerno, kabilang si Filipina-Canadian Member of Parliament Rechi Valdez.
We have continued to build strong people-to-people ties between the Philippines, and we've had 10 ministers since 2015 go back and forth and travel to continue to strengthen those ties.
Ang Omni Television ay ang media partner ng Mabuhay Festival ngayong taon at naging MCs din ang ilan sa aming mga mamamahayag.
Kababayan Multicultural Center!
Para naman sa mga hindi nakapunta sa Mabuhay Festival ngayong taon.
Bigger events next year. It will be different. Like, it will be different. Like, as I said, hindi pa tapos. Meron na kaming plano. Kaya abangan nyo po yan.
Mensahe ng kanilang organisasyon maging mga lider ng Filipino-Canadian community. Sa dami ng mga kababayan sa bansa, huwag mahiyang ipagmalaki ang pagiging Pilipino. Maigi ring mas maging aktibo sa komunidad at suportahan ang mga kababayan sa bansa.